Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome as always. And today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. And so I have one of my throwbacks out here. This is the JXD 392. Pretty awesome little flyer from back in the day from JXD. They had a smaller, well, not really smaller, but the motors on one of these versions were a little smaller than this one. This is the one with the larger motors, the 8mm motors, or 8.5. I'm not sure if they're 8mm or 8.5, but the other one had 7mm motors, and that was the one that everybody were used to. This one is the one that had a camera. I popped the camera out of there to save weight and all, but the original one with 7mm motors, I always loved the yellow and black one, but I never did get my hands on that one. I have the gray and black one, but this is the big brother of that one. And this one was rebranded by a company called Top Race. Some of you guys are familiar with their Dragon drone. It's one of the last drones that are still here available for purchase that doesn't have altitude hold, and this doesn't have altitude hold. This is an awesome flyer. Let's get this guy up in the air so I can show you guys how this thing flies. I lost the battery bay, but I kind of shoved everything in there, and it does have an on and off switch over here, so let's get it plugged in. It is deviated, so I'll be flying it with a multi-protocol transmitter on a WL Toys V202 protocol. Here we go. Check it out. I call this the fat boy right here. Although it seems a little fat, it's an awesome flyer though. Let me show you guys the yaw on it. That's the yaw. Not much of a fast yaw on it, but it does have very deep pitch. This is the side flying. Forward flight, it almost dives into the, well, it does dive into the ground if you push it too much. And that makes for some awesome funnels. Let's check it out. Those are its funnels, really deep funnels. It's cold out here, so I'm not expecting this thing to fly too long. The fat boy is awesome in his own right though. Does flip. That's awesome loops. Flips while going forward. Yeah. Yeah. Love the sound that it makes. Never had to change a motor or anything on this little guy. The fat boy. That's really snappy flips. Bring it in a little close for you. Now the LVC on this guy is hard to really see, and I don't think it lasts long on LVC. So I'm not going to push it with this guy. And all these leaves out here, I don't want to have to go looking for this guy anywhere. So I'm just going to bring it back in. My fat boy. Thanks for watching.